Hi, my name is Jason Yu,
Hi, my name is Fengtan Zhang.
and this is our CS125 final project.
As we all know, University of Illinois is a very diverse school. There are people from all around the world. So we developed this app to know the capitals of this world, of these countries. So one probably always wonder is like, what is the capital of this country? It's rude to just ask directly to the person that's from the country, but with this app, you can just search the capital of one country very easily.
So let me show you guys first how this app will work. So it's an Android app designed in an Android phone. So here it says enter your country name. So like if we are from China, so we're gonna enter the country name of China. And when you press search here, you just press it, and it will show the capital of China here, which is Beijing. And if some of your friends are from France, for example, and you just type in France in the search box here. Sorry, I did a spelling mistake. Okay, so now then you can just press search, and it will say the capital of France, which is Paris, down here. We have a lot of countries in our databases, so you can have a lot of tries such as Russia, and it says Moscow, and perhaps the United States. United States, it will show Washington. And some of you might wonder that what if you type some random stuff, and what will the app show? Will the app be crashed? But it won't. We made a simple line of sentence that told you to enter a valid country name to the search box. Just like if I just type in Jason here and press search, it's not a country name, and it's sure it doesn't have a capital, so it will say please enter a valid country name down here. So that's basically how the app works. And here let me show you about the coding part we have. So in the main activity part, that's how we have stored the capitals and the countries and the capitals into a string arrays. So we have made the position of these two matched. So which means that if the number 0 spot in the country array, which is China, and the number 0 spot in the capital array should be the capital of China, which is Beijing. So this makes us easier. This makes it easier for us to write the following codes which matches. And then we have set up a couple methods to connect our user interface to our main activity, so that the buttons and the input part in the user interface will actually work. And finally, there's our main method, which is called search, and it's just a simple for loop and if statement, which says that if the country you typed is within our database, it will find out the position of the country, and the corresponding position in the capital array is the corresponding capital to the country. And so that's basically our coding, main parts of code. And here, let's go to user interface. So our user interface is basically it's pretty simple, and we didn't design much because we think the simpler is the better. So we have couple parts here, which is the top part is the name of our app, and then here's the input part where you can type the country name, and here's the search button, and finally down the bottom is that the place where it will show the results. And in order to make our user interface look better, we have inserted a fancy web XML which shows a snow falling effect to it. And here's our part of the web XML. So that's basically how we work out the final project, and we think And we sincerely hope that this app can really help you if you want to start a conversation with others when you first meet them, and you know the country they are, but you don't know the capital. So thanks for watching.
Thank you。
有点尴尬，没关系。
没事没事。